and welcome back to It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I have a new fabulous open invite for y'all, and it's called Under the Sea Tablescape 20. That's the name you will put for your title, and you would use that as your hashtag. The upload date will be July the 18th, 2020 at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Rules are to subscribe to all channels, mention all channels in your video, and provide the links in your description box. The host is myself, Kel. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. And introducing my co-host for this open invite is the lovely Renters Live Luxury by Miss N. At Penny's Place, Miss Penny. And the new family DIYs, Miss Chenelle. The rules for this collaboration is any items that pertain to the sea, like a Nautica theme or a beach scene. And we also say that you can decorate anywhere in the house, outside. Also, we will please keep your video no more to 5 to 6 minutes, so that way everyone that views our playlists, they can keep going right down the line and they're not spending no more than 5 to 6 minutes on the video. And we also ask that you do not do any DIYs in this video. If you do make DIYs pertaining to Under the Sea theme, do it in a separate video. That way you will be able to get your views on that video and your watch hours. So if you have any questions, as always, hit me down in the comments section. The playlist is available. That would be down in the description box. And if you plan on participating, if you don't mind to leave me a comment and just say Under the Sea. Y'all have a blessed day, and I cannot wait to see your beautiful tables.